Beautiful December day. Because of the Alberta Clipper and some work stuff, I hadn't been out in 3 weeks. Talk about cabin fever. So I headed up to Missouri Valley, Iowa to rail fan the Union Pacific. The Canadian National tracks parallel I-29 north of Council Bluffs, and I spotted the daily run up to Dennison. So I decided to head up to Logan to catch it. The locals call it the slow train to Dennison, so I knew I had time. I had to shoot into the sun, and I didn't see my finger. Darn it. It's always something. Anyhow, I decided to head up to Woodbine to catch it again, sans finger. I hadn't seen that Chicago Northwestern Bay window caboose since they painted it, so I decided to head over there and check it out. Man, it looks great. Here's another view. The city has also added a small viewing platform and some park benches. Getting ready to leave, caught this guy. We'll see him a few more times. I headed down to Missouri Valley to spend some time there, and here's that westbound I saw in Woodbine waiting on the siding. It's either crew change or the train heading east, and you can see its lights there. And turns out it was a stack train heading to Boone. I no sooner got to Missouri Valley and parked my car, and I saw this crew change heading west out of the depot. I saw the end of train DPU a bit of a ways west of Mill Valley. Getting another shot of this train, I noticed the eastbound green signal. Then westbound signals flashing yellow to green. Here comes that Woodbine train.
Yep, another one for you when you're ready.
I think it was stopped for a crew change east of Mill Valley. I heard orders.
6307, conducted 40, that's 40 MPH. To Malpo 346.1, 346.1, Malpo 346.2, Malpo 346.2, main track 1,
Very interesting mixed freight. It didn't take too long to get those signals again, flashing yellow over to green. And here comes a westbound hopper train. Finally, here comes that eastbound off the Omaha sub, no less. Then all the signals went dark, so I decided to call it a day. Oh, and by the way, there's the UP Depot crew change point and home to signal shops and maintenance personnel. Please help me out by subscribing and hitting the bell icon. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and thanks for watching the video.